Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll to find users and accounts. As you can see, I've got my Google account added, so let me start with showing you how to remove it. Let's tap on the account, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and remove account. Remove account again and it will immediately disappear. So now we can add new one. Just tap on add account and choose Google. Here. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and now you can either create a new account or enter your email or phone. So let me do it. Alright, now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright. Here you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them and learn more, and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.